Assalamu alaikum, year 2. Today we are going to talk about one of the names of Allah, Allah the Almighty Creator. To know the meaning of this name, we first have to talk about the creatures of Allah and how Allah is the creator of everything. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Everything that exists in both the visible and the hidden world is a creation of Allah. He has created all things with His knowledge, wisdom, power, and protects this creation with His mercy. If the universe was left to its own care for even a twinkle of an eye, it would collapse and perish. Among the creatures of the hidden world, the Quran mentions the angels and the jinn. The creator of the visible world are the human beings, animals, plants, means all the animate creatures. The different types of matter and energy like the sun, the moon, the water, the wind, etc. And the different regions and places like rivers, sea, the mountains, the earth, the universe, etc. As Allah said in Surah Al-Zumur, verse number 62, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Allah is the creator of all things and He is the wakil, that means trustee, disposer of all affairs and the guardian over all things. One more ayah about the creation that Allah creates. قال تعالى صنع الله الذي أتقن كل شيء. It's the doing of Allah who perfects all things. This is ayah number 88 from Surah An-Naml. And we have plenty of verses in Quran talking about how Allah is the creator. Allah Ta'ala has created birds and fish and provided them with organs that make them able to live in their environment and obtain their food. So what does this implicate or indicate? We can understand from this that Allah, the Creator, has perfected the creation of everything. So not only Allah created us, but He created us in the perfect way, in the perfect shape. Allah is able to do everything. Allah is able to create us, to manage us, to create and manage this world and take care of this world, and He is able to do everything. Man reflected on birds and learned from them to make planes. So there is a difference between what we call creation and making. For Allah is the creator, but for the man, he can make things, but he cannot make them as perfect or animated, same as Allah does. The man can also make few things from the inspiration of Allah creatures, but never can create. It's only for Allah. Men reflected on fish in the sea and learned from them to make submarines, for example. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keeps us on land, air, and sea. Allah takes care of us in all the kinds of habitats, whether the land, the air, or the sea. He can create animals everywhere and plants everywhere, and He also can take care of them and make them able to survive wherever they are. Allah is the creator. Allah is Al-Khaliq. Also, we have other names of Allah among the 99 names of Allah that have the same meaning almost like Al-Khaliq. For example, Allah is Al-Musawwir, the make-shaper, Al-Bari, etc. So, keep praying for Allah for having created us in that perfect shape, in that perfect appearance. And not only that, we have to thank Allah for all His blessings He created to us.